Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will compare Nissan Altima vs Rogue, which is better. Start by listing the features you value most, such as fuel economy, cargo capacity, and tech. I will walk through practical differences, ownership costs, driving feel, and passenger comfort. Expect direct comparisons and clear takeaways to help with your decision. I speak plainly and warmly so you can pick the right vehicle for daily commutes or family needs. For performance, think about where you drive most and what matters to you. The Altima leans toward efficient highway cruising with composed handling, while the Rogue brings SUV practicality and optional all-wheel drive. Pay attention to steering weight, acceleration response, and braking feel during a test drive. Real-world MPG often differs from EPA numbers, so consider your route mix and expected cargo when estimating ownership costs and comfort. If you are finding this comparison helpful, please subscribe and like to support more practical car reviews. Quick recommendation: I use leak-proof containers for easy on-the-go lunches, and they pair nicely with a roomy Rogue cargo area or Altima trunk. Check the description for the product link and other deals so you can grab them if interested. Thanks for the support, and now, let's get back to the video. Interior space and tech matter daily, so check rear passenger comfort and cargo usability. The Rogue excels at flexible storage and taller seating, while the Altima delivers a quieter, sedan-like ride and lower center of gravity. Evaluate infotainment responsiveness, screen size, and standard driver assists to match your tech expectations. Small details like cup holder placement, charging ports, and trunk opening height can sway your choice for everyday convenience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.